Hi, it's Rachel again. I'm back today to give you the next tutorial in the series of the Animal Crossing Colourpop Makeup Collection tutorial series. So today we're using the Labelle of the Ball palette, which is this cute purple palette. This is what it looks like on the inside. So we use that to achieve this very pretty, very simple look today. If you're interested to learn how we did it, then keep watching. And also be sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok and check out my other content. It's at rachel.alexandra.makeup. Tell your friends about me, you know, all the usual stuff. But yeah, so if you're interested to see how we did it, keep watching because we're about to get started. So I'm actually going to start by putting my finger in this shade Custom Design. It is like the purple shifty kind of shade down here. And we're going to use that to just swipe all over the lid. So what we're doing here is just tapping and kind of sweeping across the lid here. So next I'm going to take a fluffy blending brush and I'm going to put that in the shade Tailor's Ticket, which is this one right up here. And we're going to sweep that all up on the brow bone, kind of blending it in with the Custom Design shade that we just put on our lid. You're going to do that until you kind of achieve the desired level of purple. And then next we're going to use our finger to spread this glitter called Able Sisters all over the lid. And then once you've achieved your desired level of sparkle, I'm going to take a smudge brush, put that in Serene Sable, this one right here, the matte purple shade. And we're going to smudge that out on the bottom waterline. Okay, so I've added some mascara, and since I feel like this look is more subtle, it doesn't need lashes, so I'm not going to add false lashes. I'm just going to keep it with mascara. We are going to do some highlight. I'm going to use the ABH Glow Highlight Kit, Glow Kit. It's my favorite. I'm going to use the shade Forever Young, which is my favorite one. You see I hit pan. Now I did pop some highlight in the inner corner and on the brow bone as well, as you can see. I just feel like it kind of pulls everything together. I also used the Juicy Apple lip tint from the collection, and I used the Flower Power blush as well from the collection. And that's the finished look. So as you can see, we did something more simple today. I just felt like these purples were more for a pretty simple look and not something super dramatic, so that's what we went for. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope that it was easy to follow along with and that you guys can recreate it if it's something you'd like to do. If you have this palette at home and you don't know what to do with it, hopefully this can help give you some tips and tricks. As always, thank you so much for watching. If you've made it this far, please subscribe. If you like my content, like this video, leave a comment. Help a girl out. You can also explore my other socials. I'm at rachel.alexandra.makeup on both Instagram and TikTok. Those will be in the description as well. But thank you for sticking around, and I appreciate all of the support as always. And until next time, bye.